I started getting really large floaters in my eyes a couple of years ago, my optometrist referred me to see a retina specialist. Because I was so nearsighted, the retina specialist explained to me that I was at risk for retinal detachment.
Well, I started seeing a retina specialist, I don't know, about 10 years ago, and I had dry macular degeneration.
I have diabetes type 2, and it was out of control. I saw spots, not floaters, and I knew that wasn't right. Made an appointment with my ophthalmologist right away, and he sent me to a retina specialist.
Retina specialists treat conditions including age-related macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, retinal detachment, cancers of the eye, severe eye trauma, and hereditary diseases of the eye. Retinal conditions can cause vision loss and even blindness if left untreated, which is why early detection and intervention are essential.
When I made my appointment with the retina specialist, I got into the office and told me what was wrong.
Hi, it's nice to see you. How are you?
And gave me the term diabetic retinopathy, and also laid out a treatment plan. Explained it, told me I would have to start my injections, which was in a few weeks. My eyes were getting a little better. I could really see.
Retina specialists are physicians who have up to 10 years of advanced medical training, including 4 years of medical school, 1 year of internship, 3 years of residency training in ophthalmology, and 1 to 2 years in a retina-focused fellowship. They are among the most highly trained ophthalmologists, subspecializing in diseases and surgery of the retina. The retina is a complex layer of tissue lining the back of the eye that plays a vital role in vision. It detects light and converts it into electrical signals that are transmitted to the brain, allowing us to see. In the center of the retina is the macula, which is responsible for 90% of vision. A retina specialist has extensive education and training in using cutting-edge diagnostic tools to examine the back of the eye. This expertise allows them to accurately assess the health of your retina and macula, identifying any potential issues.
I noticed in my left eye that there's something wrong with my vision. In one of my visits with retina specialist, after taking the scan, they discovered that my left eye had a leakage.
His dry macular degeneration had progressed to wet age-related macular degeneration, or wet AMD, which is a chronic eye disease. Treatment options include regular injections to stop the progression of the disease and in many cases improve vision.
Right over here at your right shoulder.
After the first injection, I believe I could see a little better than before the injection. I highly recommend to get the injection. Don't be afraid of it.
Injections like the ones used to treat wet AMD are thanks to retina specialists who have pioneered advances in early detection and treatment of retinal diseases, preserving and improving vision for millions.
I was on vacation for spring break and woke up in the morning and thought that just my contact was not in the right place. By the time I got home, I had lost a significant amount of vision in my eye and knew I needed to call the retina specialist right away. He really got in and looked behind the eye. He said, yes, your retina's detached, and gave me some treatment options.
Retina specialists are expertly trained surgeons performing intricate procedures deep inside the eye, using cutting-edge technologies, including surgical microscopes and sophisticated micro-instruments to treat and repair delicate tissue thinner than a butterfly's wing, ensuring optimal outcomes for complex retinal conditions.
And even though the retinal detachment was, in my case, was very severe and involved the macula, the central portion of the eye, most of my vision's returned. I'm completely happy and very blessed to have as much of my vision back as I do.
Most patients who undergo treatment by retina specialists experience significant improvements in their vision and quality of life, allowing them to continue enjoying the activities they love. Trust your sight to a physician who has the training, experience, tools, and commitment. Trust a retina specialist to preserve vision and reduce the risk of blindness. To find your retina specialist, go to findyourretinaspecialist.org.